Hello, this is Stacy from Truly Majestic. I'm just posting a very quick arm knitting project that I did about 4 years ago. I can't believe it's already been 4 years. Almost 4 years ago, I made these pumpkins. You can make any shape arm knitting if you know how to do it. I have a master arm knitting course that shows you how to knit up any shape, any type of design that you want, and you can check that in the link. This is just one of many things you can do arm knitting.